In this tutorial, I'm going to run over 3 of the biggest advantages that an online business has over traditional brick-and-mortar companies. There is a reason that people are flocking to online businesses, given the freedom and convenience they can provide to those who are successful. Advantage number 1: cost. The first advantage is obvious. The fact that your business does not require a physical location is a massive benefit. With an online business, you just need to pay a fee for hosting and site development. On top of this, you don't have to apply for planning permission or pay $1 million to erect a building. This project would take years to complete and could potentially require a serious loan application, which can be very stressful for the applicant. With an online business, you can get started nearly straight away. The upfront costs of starting a physical business are huge compared to an online one. Additionally, the operational costs of running a physical outlet are far higher, typically involving employees, insurance, higher utility bills, and licenses. Advantage number 2: unlimited scalability. Online businesses offer unlimited scalability. With a traditional brick-and-mortar company, if you want to expand, you might need to get a loan and rent out new premises. This involves a lot of hassle, and it is a big move with significant risk involved. On the other hand, online businesses can scale far more easily. The website capacity can be extended to cater for more users, and they can carry out experiments on a smaller scale without breaking the bank. Because many online businesses offer digital products, it is possible to replicate these with little additional cost, meaning that scale is easier to achieve. Advantage number 3: convenience. Online sites are open 24/7. Regardless of whether the customer is in Australia or the USA, they always have access to your online storefront. The same cannot be said of a physical outlet, which may stay open 9 to 5. The online site can be accessed anywhere at any time. Online sites can also make easy use of digital nomads for a global workforce. This is not the case with typical retail outlets who can only access local talents. 3 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel. In this presentation, I'm going to explain why a YouTube channel is essential for any online enterprise. Video has a number of advantages, and YouTube is one of the most popular and well-known platforms out there. Not having a YouTube channel is a big mistake, given all the advantages that it offers. Number 1. People love video content. All of the latest research is demonstrating that people prefer video as opposed to written content. Video content is more likely to be clicked on, delivers more in a shorter time frame, has better ROI, and results in a more engaged customer. A short 2-minute video can say a lot more than a 1,000-word blog post. There is also a growing trend that customers are going to favor video more. According to Cisco, 82% of online content will be in the form of video by 2021. Setting up a YouTube channel now could be a great way to jump on this expanding trend. More than text is now necessary to reach your target audience. Number 2. The biggest video platform. Nearly every business now has a Facebook page, given there are so many users on that social media site. But YouTube is like the Facebook of video, as the biggest video streaming platform in the world. In short, it is the quickest way to reach the biggest audience. There are over 1.5 billion active YouTube users. Many of the top influencer marketers can be found on YouTube. They have a large say in determining the spending habits of newer generations, who tend to favor video content. Not only is YouTube the biggest video platform, but it is also one of the best, with new additions and innovations. Owned by Google, it is unlikely to go out of business. Number 3. Viral potential. Video content has a much better chance at going viral compared to written content. In fact, written content rarely goes viral. Viral content can greatly increase revenue if executed correctly. Videos picked up on YouTube are easily syndicated across other social media platforms, such as Facebook and Twitter. This is the best form of marketing, where others are voluntarily doing the work for you. While many business owners seem to have an aversion to video content, it is actually very easy to do, even with a basic setup. In this tutorial, we are going to look at 5 of the best ways to promote your online business. While there are many marketing methods, you will have to select your model carefully and make it work for you. Every online business needs an efficient marketing campaign to promote their brand. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a very effective way to promote your business. The vast majority of business owners now have a social media page, and there are paid advertising options available within platforms such as Facebook, including voice ads and sponsored stories. The power of social media can no longer be ignored. There are billions of active users on social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It is free to set up a page and reach out to an enormous global audience. Quora. Quora is a popular question and answer site. Users ask questions and then other users respond with their answers. The most popular answers typically get the highest number of upvotes. Quora is a fantastic platform to promote your business, and you can answer questions in relation to your field of work. Google Ads. Google paid advertising is a great way to get traffic to your site. The way it works is that advertisers bid on keywords with a maximum amount they are willing to pay for each click. Customers come to your site by clicking on the sponsored advertisement and then purchase the product. By understanding your conversion rate, you can set your maximum bid per keyword. Collaborations. Collaborations are when you join forces with other businesses. You can cross-promote each other's products and services, which will ensure mutual growth. For example, you could trade links on each other's blogs for an increase in traffic. This can be a quick way to increase traffic to your site, and there are a number of ways to collaborate. However, options are limited in social industries, as you don't want to promote your competitors. Meet face-to-face. Meeting face-to-face with people is still a great way to promote your business. Networking is still crucial to business success. This can be done at any time or place. Be sure to tell people about what you offer and have a business card on hand. Face-to-face meetups are the best form of marketing, though the audience is not as vast compared to online methods. In this presentation, I'm going to highlight 5 top online business models to make use of immediately. The market has never been better for those who wish to take advantage of online enterprises and build the life of their dreams. There are a wide variety of online business models that can help to secure a high quality of life and long-term financial success. Incorporate one or a combination of these 5 models to create the life you want to have. Blogging. Blogging is one of the oldest online techniques, and it works. It takes a while for blogging to generate significant returns, but it can be extremely profitable when it finally starts to turn a profit. Identify as a subject matter expert and blog about your passion every day. The good work will pay off, and you can monetize the blog through affiliate links and paid advertising. YouTube. YouTube is a great way to reach an audience who resonate better with video compared to text. Video content also delivers a better return on investment compared to written content. Setting up a YouTube account is very easy to do, and this technique is underutilized by many business owners. Amazon FBA. Through the Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon service, business owners ship their physical products to Amazon and sell them through the platform. Amazon takes care of delivery, storage, and customer support. While this is an excellent model, Amazon does take a significant cut of the profits. There are other ways of selling physical products online, such as dropshipping or using third-party logistics companies. Online courses. It is possible to turn a massive profit by selling online courses through sites like Udemy. You can also sell such courses directly on your website. If you are skilled and talented, selling an online course might deliver a faster turnaround compared to blogging or building a following on YouTube. Freelancing. You can acquire business through marketing acumen and then complete the services by hiring high-quality freelancers. This can be an entire business model in itself. Alternatively, you can make use of freelancers to complete projects for your own business. This can be far more cost-effective than hiring permanent employees. Upwork is the biggest freelance site in the world with a large number of skilled freelancers available. 7 tips to create an online business around your lifestyle. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to build your business around your lifestyle and not the other way around. Online businesses are possibly the only ones that really guarantee a fulfilling and flexible lifestyle compared to other business types. Number 1. Have the end in mind. When creating your online business for maximum fulfillment, it is ideal to constantly visualize the end goal, whether it is an IPO or working 4 hours a week for the rest of your life. It is all too easy to get lost in the daily minutiae, but there are ways around this. Don't accept anything less than complete and utter freedom, and focus on it as often as you can. Number 2, outsource. You won't be able to get where you need to go without using the power of intelligent outsourcing. Outsourcing can make your business run so much more smoothly if you let it. Entire projects can be 100% outsourced to cheaper regions with the help of reputable agencies. Number 3, use freelancers. Every task you can think of can be completed with short-term freelance contracts. Freelancers are based in different time zones, so they can work on your project while you sleep in bed or relax on a beach. They are very important in helping you reach success. There is a growing mobile freelance workforce for all kinds of projects, from web development to digital marketing. Number 4, automation. Automation is like outsourcing in that it is often a cheap way to get tasks and projects completed. And there is an automation tool for nearly everything: accounting, social media, email marketing, PPC campaign, payroll, taxation, etc. For true freedom, automation tools are necessary. Number 5, delegate. While you are going to make heavy use of automation tools and outsourcing, it is important to have a few key personnel to rely on. Trust that others have the ability to run the business. Learning to delegate is an important skill that all new online owners need to learn. Number 6, choose your business model carefully. Some models are easier to run and more profitable than others. You want a business that is automated for success, where you are not tied down all the time. Timeless business models around the concepts of health, wealth, and love will always have a high retail value. Number 7, focus on what really matters. Small business owners do not have the time to manage every little detail of the company. They need to be very precise about what the business does and what the key metrics are. If you want to focus on every aspect of the company, then you won't have any time for yourself.